All right, pilots. Goggles down. Thumbs up. Pilots, arm your quads. And as we go live on the toe in less than 5.
Scully's on the mic.
So we are flying 8 inside of here, and someone not getting off the line, that's going to be Dundee. So Dundee, if you could flip yourself back up, just like in before, but if you're messed, I'll give you a re-race, because not getting a good start. But we have 7 in the air and 7 with video. This is our open class, run what you run, to be ReadyMadeRC presented with your Barnburner Drone Racing Series season opener. So opening lap coming in for Nailed Up with a 23.9, gas out of second, first line, 22.4, plus FPV, and 26, empty skies with 30.7, Mr. Noise with 30.7, fucking St. with a 31.9, Hell No with a 36.4, and now Gab 707 on to lap number 3. We are looking for your fast, solid, consecutive, and we made it 11 or 12 laps in the 30 minutes along it. But it's a brilliant check in, Gab 707 is your fastest pilot here this weekend, and fastest so far this week. Left-hand corner from Jam number 7, working its way through the Supercross section of M2. So we're going to form the power system tunnel. We can't stop and we get motor on to lap number 4. Lap number 7 with 25 his fast lap right now, 15.864. 15.864 is on lap. And you see signs of it right now number 2 pocket. We're looking for your fast 5 consecutive. Fast 5 consecutive. So 17 on that time around for Gab 707, and Lindsay Sonic is having a decent thing on top here. So number 5 here.
Barnburner!
And man, he crashed into Mr. Noise and that crash here, qualifier number 1. They're still racing 12 seconds on the clock, so that means an extra lap to follow the same. There's dust all in the air, that's on hitting the net. 5 seconds remaining on the clock, so he has up to 1 more lap to go. And after the 7 time keep racing, they have 1 lap to go, so we cross here to 10 gender. Press FPV, 9 laps in. The time will all right now, first line and seat line though. As we saw here in the center, Gab 707, 11 laps at 3:14, and seat time is 7:86, and tracks at 14:1. And as he signed, you're done 10 laps and 18. Right now, at 92 seconds on his fast 5 consecutively, and his small lap at 18:1. Nailed Up got 9 laps in the time allotted, also 9 laps at West FPV, Bucking the same at 8, Dundee got 4, Mr. Noise got 3, Helmut got 4, and Dundee definitely got back out there. So it's based on seed time, so results coming out here in just a moment.
We wait for the results. Look at that beast, eh? That made a big thunk.
Yeah, well, we fucking collided midair, I think.
There's your Space One pilot. Fat Turk needs a dust off, yeah. No, we like it dirty up here, Kathleen.
Two props on the hexacopter.
Yeah, but you took damage to the wall, though.
Yeah, fuck it. I can make new parts. Don't need those parts.
So, Helno, are you ready for your re-race with your 3S?
Yeah, that was Lucas there, Bob. Or is that, what Space One's that?
Are you good?
Robert, yeah, Bob.
Alright, if you want to slide out there, it's just you. This is the re-race for Helno.
What were the results, boss? The last race, what were the results?
the results. Gab 707 got it. He had the fastest lap on the track with a 14.190. We're looking for the fast 5 consecutively, and his fast 5 seated him at 78.6 to second place MC Skies with a 92.2. So he was 14 seconds faster on 5 laps. It's 3 seconds fast, 3 seconds per